Hello everyone. In this video we'll discuss about error detection techniques. So first of all, what is error in case of data transmission? So first of all, when sender sends some data and the data received by receiver is not the same as the sender sends it, means there is some change in that data, so it is known as error in case of data transmission. So here we apply error detection techniques to find whether there is some error in that data or not. So here we mention some error detection techniques like single parity check, two-dimensional parity check, checksum, and cyclic redundancy check. In this video we'll discuss about cyclic redundancy check, as this is the most widely used error detection technique right now. And basically what it does, it adds some redundant bits to the data and make it divisible by the generator polynomial. So two main things in this is binary division and generator polynomial. First of all, we can see that in this table there are some data and we add some redundant bits to it. The redundant bits when divided by the divisor generate some CRC code, which is basically a remainder of that binary division. We send the data along that with CRC code to the receiver, and when receiver receives the data, it basically divides the same data along with CRC code with divisor, which is generator polynomial. And if the remainders comes out to be 0, we accept that data, otherwise we reject that data. Now let's see it with the example. So let us summarize what we have discussed till now. So first of all, CRC is based on binary division. Secondly, we must be knowing about polynomial function. Third and the most important thing is total number of bits that will be received by a receiver is m plus r. Here m is your actual data and r is redundant bits. So now let's talk about redundant bits. So we need to add redundant bits equal to highest power of polynomial function. So in this case, the total number of redundant bits will be 4, which will be added at the end of the data. So let us explore through example. Taking an example of data equal to 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 and polynomial function be x power 4 plus x power cube plus 1. So first of all, we need to convert this polynomial function into bit format. So just multiplying it with their coefficients, so this will give us the bit format of the polynomial function. So it comes out to be 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, now we need to have data 1 0 1 0, which we have taken example over here, 1 0 1 0. Now we will add 4 redundant bits over here, which will be 0 0 0 0 till now, but we will replace it with the remainder of this binary division after we do the binary division. So it will be divided by 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So here we will apply OR function, XOR function, which says if the bits are same, then answer will be 0, and if bits are different, then answer will be 1. Okay, so first of all, multiplying this with this bit, we get 1 over here, and now applying XOR function, we get 0 as they are same, 1 different, 1 0 and 0. Now we'll take one bit from upper side and put over here. Now multiplying it with the first bit, we get these are same, these are also same, so 0 0, and here will be 1. Now putting my one more bit from upper place, we get, now again multiplying it with the first bit, answer is 0 0 0 1 1. Now taking one more bit from upper side, we get this, and multiplying it with 0, so it is 0 0 0 0 0, and the answer will be 0 0 1 1 0. Multiplying it with 0, we again get 0 0 0 0. Now we'll take one more bit from upper side and put it over here, and multiplying it with 1. Now we get 0 0 1, sorry 0 0 and 1. Now taking one more bit from upper side, we get, multiplying it with 0, we get 1 1, sorry 0 0 0 0 0, and now we got 0 0 0 as they are same, and here is this different, and 0. Now putting one more bit from upper side, we get 0 over here, and multiplying again it with 0, so we get 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 1 0 0. So this is our remainder. Our remainder is 0 0 1 0 0. Now we have to take 4 redundant bits from this remainder. We will choose from last 0 0 1 0. So we will replace it with these bits. So the data received by the receiver is of 14 bits. Right? There were 10 bits in data, and we added 4 redundant bits. So now the data becomes 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0, and we added 4 redundant bits which were 0 1 0 0. So now this data will be transferred along with the polynomial function. So when the receiver receives this data, he will again divide it with, he will do again binary division with this data. And our polynomial function was 1 1 0 0 1. So we'll again divide it with this data, and remainder will come out to be 0. And if remainder is not 0, then means there is some error in that data. Means some of the bits are some of the bits have changed from the data. So this is basically the CRC error detection technique. So this is widely used in today's world, and it is one of the best techniques that we have till now for the error detection.